So what's really happening in the Southwest Florida real estate market right now? Are home prices crashing? Are buyers finally gaining leverage? Or are we starting to see signs of a market rebound heading into the summer of 2026? In today's update, I'm going to walk you through the actual numbers and charts for Southwest Florida. That includes Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples, and the Bonita Springs, Estero area. We're going to break down the median sales price, inventory levels, pending sales, closed sales, and days on market, and what all this means whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing here in Southwest Florida. And I'll tell you right now, the headlines don't always match what the data is actually showing. Some areas are seeing increased buyer activity, inventory is shifting, and sellers are having to adjust to a very different market than what we saw the last few years. So if you want the real story behind the numbers and where this market may be heading next, stick around because we're going to go chart by chart and break it all down. Okay, so we are going to do our May 2026 market review. And as you can see, I'm going to be looking at Bonita Springs, Estero, Naples, Fort Myers, and Cape Coral. And we're going to start with the median sales price. And Bonita Springs is down 2.2% to 508.75. Naples is up 1.1% at 620. Fort Myers is down 8.3% at 335, and Cape Coral is up 2.8% at 370. A lot of people have been saying that prices are continuing to drop, but as you can see, they're stabilizing year over year. They're not that big of a change year over year, especially two of the four being positive. So next, we're going to go to new listings, and on the new listing side, you can see that where inventory is down. Bonita Springs is down 11%. Naples is down 0.5%. Fort Myers is down 18.3%, and Cape Coral is down 18.5%. Now that's for the new listings year over year. When we look at home sales, this is your inventory. So Bonita Springs is down 29.6%. Naples is down 24.4%. Cape Coral is down 29.5%, and Fort Myers is down 29.7%. So as far as inventory goes, a lot of people have been speculating about how our inventory is too high, but year over year, we're down considerably from where we were last year. And when we look at pending sales, we are up quite a bit from last year. Bonita Springs, Estero is up 21.5%. Naples is 28.1%. Fort Myers is up 20%. And Cape Coral is up just under 20%. Now, when we look at closed sales, Bonita Springs, Estero is up 15.2%. Naples is up 12.6%. Fort Myers is up 4.4%. And Cape Coral is still down 10.6%. And now when we go to look at your days on the market, we can see that some areas are up quite a bit and Cape Coral is actually down. So Bonita Springs is up 32% year over year. Naples is up 4.9%. Fort Myers is up 1.8%, and Cape Coral is down 20%. So as far as your days on market, when you go over here to May of last year, Cape Coral last year was 55 days on the market, and now we're at 44. So it's not taking as long for homes to sell in Cape Coral. When you look at month supply, they're all going down, which is due to the lack of inventory and our sales going up as well. So Bonita Springs is down 44, Naples is down 38, Fort Myers is down 36, and Cape Coral is down 39 or 38%. So the highest that we have is 6.7 months of inventory in Naples. Now, one thing I did want to show, I'm going to pull up the maximum timeline here and go to our inventory. A lot of people are saying that, our inventory is very high from where normal ranges would be, but I don't know if they're basing it off of when we were in COVID or what, because, the inventory that we had during COVID was next to nothing for the most part. But as you can see, if we go back all of these years, here's May of 2019. Cape Coral had 2,631 homes. Now they have 2,737. Naples had 6,205 as opposed to a little over 5,000 now. So our inventory back in 2019 was higher than it is now. So let's go back a little bit farther. We're going to go all the way back to here is May of 2016. Now, Cape Coral does show 2,182 homes in 2016 as opposed to 2,737 now. The other ones, 2819 to 29. So Cape Coral or Fort Myers is up like 100. Naples is down about 900, and Bonita Springs is down about 300, and that's a 10-year time frame. So when you look at Cape Coral, this is one thing that they don't tell you about, or you don't think about, I guess, is in that time frame, we've probably built about 30,000 homes in Cape Coral because the population has expanded by 78,000 people in that 10-year time frame. So when you include that amount of inventory, there's going to be more homes on the market just because it's a larger area. So that kind of negates what people are saying about a lot of inventory in the area compared to regular timeframes. My guess is that they're looking at it compared to COVID, and everybody only sees what they want to see sometimes. So that's what I have for the statistics for Lee County, Collier County. If you have any questions, my name is Kim Feltus. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'd love to talk to you about your real estate needs.